Okay, this is a Kenmore 1316. This is a lightweight, all-metal machine. I could probably date the manufacturer and the listing. I need to look that up. It is an all-metal machine, 1 amp motor. Cosmetically, it's very nice. No major paint loss, paint dings, paint wear. It's the classic Kenmore pea green in color. It's a basic machine. It has straight, zigzag, stretch, straight, stretch, zigzag, and blind stitch. So basically it has 5 stitches with your bobbin winder, your adjustable stitch width, adjustable stitch length, and bead dog drop. It's a low shank machine. Uses standard screw-on low shank beaten attachments. Uses class 15 bobbins. This machine does have a bobbin or a buttonhole arm drive. I don't have a buttonhole to include with it, as far as I know. No, I don't think I do. 15 by 1 needles. Needles and bobbins bought anywhere as easy as your local Walmart, or of course you can buy them online. Walmart does stock them in the craft aisle. It's a nice little machine. It's not like a super monster, but it will work for you. No plastic gears, all metal internals. Belt driven. It's tabletop ready, or it is one of the larger deck Kenmores. It has to go in a Kenmore carrying case or cabinet, which I try to keep a carrying case listed. So if you want to check out my listings, I probably have a carrying case on there. Zigzag. A lot of funkiness there. Don't know what happened there. Now to switch over to straight, we do this. And we're on straight. Stretch. See the bead dogs working back and forth. That's stretch straight. Adjust your stitch width, and then there's stretch zigzag or rickrack. Don't have a copy of the manual at this point. I'm trying to get a hold of one. It's pretty easy to operate. Nice stitch there. I don't know what happened there. Guess my bobbin thread broke, but it picked back up. Now, show you a little what it can do. Let's do some denim. This is 5 layers of denim. Using a size 16 needle. Nice consistent stitch. 10 layers of cotton. Goes through that pretty easily. It's hard to see. You will get these fabric samples. And here's a couple layers of leather, garment leather. If you needed to sew a patch on your vest or hem your leather skirt or something like that, this machine will work good for you. Of course, it's non-industrial, so it's not going to do like saddles or knife sheaths or anything like that. Not the thick leather. These machines just won't do that. And if anybody tells you it does, they might do them for a minute and then it's going to blow up. So, realistically, it will sew leather, but not saddle leather or make a horse bridle or something. That is the Sears Kenmore model 1316.